All right, we are talking about Of Mice and Men, part 3. Let's go through some key points if you are reading this for class. So let's talk about how our main themes show up in this chapter. Dreams kind of take the center stage here because George, Lenny, and Candy have this conversation, realize if the three of them work together, they could have this farm that they've been dreaming of in just a few weeks. George says something interesting. He says, nobody tell anyone about this. You know, you would think this life goal is about to happen. They'd be wanting to tell everyone. They'd be excited. And George says, someone will try to get in our way. Someone will try to throw us off. So there is the idea that dreams are very fragile. Even when they seem within reach, you're still in a precarious spot. And it seems just as soon as George says that, don't tell anybody because someone will come to throw us off. That's exactly what happens because Curly comes in and picks a fight with Lenny. And of course, that could end with George and Lenny getting fired or Lenny even getting put in jail. Curly is the boss's son. He's a landowner. He's going to inherit all this. So I think the idea that Steinbeck is getting at here is people that are further up on the economic hierarchy are very dangerous to others. Loneliness shows up here as well. At the beginning of the chapter, when George and Slim are sitting down at the card table having this conversation, George is playing solitaire, the one-person card game. Even though dreams are kind of at the forefront, they get the focus in this chapter. We've got this exciting new development. The loneliness theme is kind of playing around the edges of the picture. You could also see that solitaire game as foreshadowing. Even though other people are around, George is still alone. Next, we want to look at that escalating violence that I've mentioned happens in each part of the book. So in part 2, there was a threat of physical violence when Curly tried to pick a fight with Lenny. In this chapter, we have actual physical harm. Lenny crushes Curly's hand. So that's a reference back to part 1 where Lenny touched this young woman's dress and kind of had a panic attack and could not let go. In this part, he grabs Curly's hand, has a panic attack, cannot let go. It was not intentional, but he does break Curly's hand. It's a serious injury. It is real harm done.